Thinking of securing your internet with NordVPN but unsure if it's worth it? In this honest review, I'll go over the pricing, key features, and real pros and cons so you know exactly what to expect. Let's see if NordVPN lives up to the hype in 2025. Let's get started. NordVPN is one of the most recognized names in cybersecurity, and for good reason. First, let's talk about pricing. The 1-month basic plan is $12.99. The 1-year plan drops it to $4.99 per month, and the 2-year plan gives the best value at just $3.39 per month. Now let's go over the features. Lightning fast connection speeds reaching over 6,730 plus megabits per second, great for streaming and gaming. Offers a dedicated IP, which is useful if you want consistent access to specific networks or services. Comes with a malware scanner for downloads to help keep your device secure. You'll get alerts about leaked credentials, which adds a layer of personal protection, and includes a tracker and ad blocker helping you browse faster and more privately. Plus, on Trustpilot, NordVPN has a solid 4.2-star rating, which reflects general customer satisfaction. Then the cons. It's more expensive if you choose the month-to-month plan. Some features like dedicated IP cost extra. Desktop app updates can occasionally cause minor bugs or crashes, though usually fixed quickly. Bonus tip: if you want to use NordVPN for streaming, try connecting to servers in less crowded countries. They often have faster, more stable speeds. NordVPN offers excellent value if you're serious about online privacy, especially with its 2-year plan. It's fast, secure, and packed with useful tools, making it a top-tier choice. If this breakdown helped, give it a like and subscribe to How to Tutor for more no-fluff reviews. See you next time!